I hit her with one beanbag. I can't see her hands. You don't want your stuff stolen out of the stolen car. That'd be a real shame.
Officers in California are pursuing a stolen Ford Fusion, and the vehicle has reached speeds of 115 miles per hour. Units from all over begin to converge as the driver continues her attempts at evading law enforcement. After taking a wrong turn, officers direct the car into an embankment. Failing to follow commands, the driver is shot with a less lethal beanbag round, and the woman is taken into custody.
10851, Big Thomas Drive, Highway 29.
Is that going to be the Ford Fusion?
Hey, Fairmont being pursued, current speed 115 miles an hour.
In pursuit, miles per hour, 115.
Central 437, I'm with Paul 7, and I'll be handling radio. He's currently passing over the double yellow.
Currently passing over the double yellow.
37 can see which direction of travel.
Southbound, we're just coming into Kelseyville right now. Moderate traffic.
Southbound, coming into Kelseyville, moderate traffic.
Current speed, 92 miles per hour. Just passing Merritt.
We'll be passing Merritt, what's miles per hour?
85.
85 miles per hour.
Crossing double yellows.
Alright.
We're on the line.
Central 437. We're approaching Live Oak, 88 miles per hour, crossing double yellow lines.
Approaching Live Oak, 88 miles per hour, crossing double yellow.
Driver just brake checked us.
Paul 7, you want to take primary?
Paul 7, affirm.
Go ahead when you're ready.
Still copies of 437's taking primary.
Affirm.
Stop the vehicle!
40's in route code.
40 copy and route code.
Stop the vehicle!
What was it?
Central 437, passing Cold Creek, 75 miles per hour, crossing double yellows into traffic.
Passing Coal Creek, crossing double yellows into traffic.
Vehicle's weaving from lane to lane. She's probably 23-152 as well.
Possibly 23-152.
Miles an hour, red light at Soda Bay.
Central 437, we're going up Red Hills.
47, going up Red Hills.
I'm gonna cancel. I'm too far away.
Copy, southeast.
Passing mile marker 1166.
Milepost marker 1166.
Current speed 47. No traffic at this time. Mile marker 12.26.
47 with no traffic, milepost marker 12.26.
They just you on 37 still.
Sam 2, A firm, it's just Paul 79.
Hold off on the pit if you can.
10-4, I haven't been able to get it.
442 Sam 2. Good. Sure guys in primary now. I'm sitting here with a Yukai unit and they have not been requested.
Show us your hands! Show us your hands! Put us out, put us out! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Too much static.
Got her covered?
Said one at gunpoint.
Put your hands up!
One at gunpoint.
Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Stop! Do not reach in there again! Get your hands out the door!
Control 2 Sam 2, can you recontact Yukai's dispatch and request them?
Keep your hands up!
247, what's your 20?
Do you have less lethal? I got it. Put your hands up! Get out of the car! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Drop your shit. Drop it!
Paul 7, what's your location?
Drop it!
175 at Wildcat.
Drop it! Let's lethal deploy!
Drop it!
Drop it! Get out of the car!
2297.
Copy.
I hit her with one beanbag. I can't see her hands.
We maneuvered over to the right.
Get out of the car!
Digging for something. Your hands! Put your hands up! Less lethal! Put your hands up!
Step out of the car! Keep your hands up! Are you guys moving up?
Roll out this way. No, they're finished. Roll out on your passenger side. You're gonna get a beanbag again. Put your hands up! Roll out the passenger side. Come out with your hands up. Put the beanbag around, man. Now come out with your hands up. Here you go again. Your hands. See your hands. Hands. Your hands up.
Get a cup on, no good.
Jesus Delgado gave me the keys and said it was a rental car.
Vehicle clear.
I was at Robertson's Ranchero. And my boyfriend said it was his rental car. And he gave me the keys.
Alright, we're gonna stand up.
Okay.
Alright, stand up.
Wait. Can I get my belongings?
No.
Because I don't want my stuff to get stolen.
You don't want your stuff stolen out of the stolen car. That'd be a real shame.
Well, I have my
There we go. You're gonna be sitting in there.
Get in the car.
Climb up in there.
Can I get my
Get in the car.
jacket?
Sit in here. You gonna sit or
Can
you
I
gonna
get my
make you gonna-
jacket?
No.
Get in the
Get
car.
Okay.
Sit up there. Get up on the step. Stand up on the step. Right there. Foot right there.
Okay.
Put your foot right there.
One less lethal deployed by SO, one bail.
You know, Robert.
2 less lethal deployed.
No.
X-ray is detained, and you guys need medical to start that way.
Yeah.
Hey, Brian, anybody hurt?
I just put it up and I swung my rental. It's like, wow, how much should go the other way?
Bro.
Good job, guys.
Sorry to take over on you, man.
No.
I had a better vantage look.
I appreciate it.
Took the wrong road to go up. Yeah, she did.
Didn't see what was in it, and I told her to drop it, and I was like,
I could see from up here.
she was going through the glove box.
Yeah, and then when I came over here, she started digging underneath her. I was like, no. Oh, there goes my voice.
Yeah, mine's already gone.